fast. I was worried that it was going to take a while because the line was super long. Hey guys, it's Cinella from Missouri. It is 1:30, just picked up Yvette, and I didn't have no vlog planned for today, so you guys are just going to come along with us. And yes, Yvette has a bad habit of biting her nails. So, running behind schedule, well, not anymore because I placed an order. It says quality service that doesn't cut corners is our price, is our recipe price. So we're at Wendy's. I have eaten Wendy's too many times in the past few weeks. So I've placed a mobile order plenty of times, but it's always hit and miss. Sometimes it takes less than 5 minutes to go in and out. So this next stop should be fun. So hopefully it's as exciting for y'all as it is for us. The treasure truck. Y'all want to go get the treasure? Yeah. But it's not for y'all. It's for Daddy for Father's Day.
It's 10 more days until Father's Day.
Yeah. They might have little free goodies for y'all though. There's a treasure truck. You see the treasure truck?
Yeah.
Whoa, let's be friends on Facebook. What? Well, don't look down. I'm gonna get dizzy if I look down.
Those are bouncy balls for the kids.
So it's called the Bug Bounce.
Yeah, do you want to play? Yeah?
Let's see how we
All
play.
you have to do is put a bug on one paddle.
So this is what we got for Daddy. It's a Sony Extra Bass wireless speaker, and it was for under $35.
I was gonna give
Almost.
Daddy my money.
There you go.
There
good
you
job.
go.
Start one more time. And do a heavy one this time.
Oh yeah, that's heavy. I can hear
Say
it.
one more time. Good job.
There you
And
go.
you're welcome to take something out.
Do you think you can do it?
There's notebooks, there's coasters, sunglasses, whatever you like. You want to play too?
That's a good thing for the son.
Daddy wants
You want to do one
sunglasses
paddle or two?
so he could stay at the beach.
Yeah.
If we go to the beach one day, you said we were gonna go to the beach one day.
Do it. Try too, Eliada. Try too. No. I got one of those little notepad thingies. You need some glasses?
Sunglasses, yeah.
Thanks.
You're very welcome. You'll have a good day.
Take it. Oh, yay!
Oh, there's another cop. We just saw someone pull somebody over. So we're at Book People. This is the first time. Did you hear it, Papa? Oh, you see the motorcycle. Come on, let's cross the street. This is the first time the girls have came to Book People.
16 years, very hungry caterpillar.
What's that?
Oh,
Did you
I
find
know
that?
what book we should
He saw it and went, whoa, they're over there. He came back. Do you want to look at it? You sit down?
Mommy, I know what
Sit
book we
down.
should read. This book.
It's the same book.
No?
Touch it, doggy? Touch him. Give him a hug. Hi, doggy. Did y'all like the bookstore?
Yeah!
Alright, now we're going to the dentist.
No!
Yeah.
So now we are back at the library. It's like 2 hours later. It's 6 o'clock. And I whispered, so you really could hear me. So I'm doing another voiceover. But the girls had a great dentist appointment. They got fillings and what's the other one called? Caps, I think. Annaleah just got the right side done, so she has to go back next week for the left side, and she's still a little numb there. And I keep trying to tell her not to bite her lips, but she did a great job. They both did. And so yeah, we came back to the library for an event just for me, so you guys will see that in a little bit. Can you guys tell that I just woke up when I'm doing this voiceover? Anyways, so at Book People, we got this little bookmark where they write down the books that they read, and they get a $5 certificate at the end of the summer they can use towards a purchase of a book. So I was just working on my bullet journal, the layout for July, and then here I'm showing you guys our events that we plan on going to. And today is, where is it? There it is, adult coloring. It is the first time that they have adult coloring at the branch that we go to, and it was a pretty good turnout. I didn't expect so many different colors, color pencils, colors, and markers. And while I did the event, the girls read and played on the computers. And that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you tomorrow.